Good afternoon to you all. Today I'm going to use the product which I recently brought with Baby Street, the facial package that I'm going to use it and see how effective is it. So we'll see what are the items today we need for a general facial package facial package to clean up and do a face mask for a person. So here I have taken a sponge to clean the face and dish and the spoon, and this is then this is a band. It will keep all the hair with the band, so it won't come and here and there and disturb our process. And this is a tool to remove the whiteheads and the blackheads, and some water and bee honey, toner, rose water, and the mud pack, scrub, and the face wash, and our cleanser. So these are the items we need. And now you are going to see Miss Vasha. Hi Vasha, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Okay, so now her face, actually it's a oily face it seems. So we'll see how it's going to work with her face. Welcome. Now we are going to do the video how to do the face cleanup and do a small face pack. Now before do this all, better you put a cover, like a towel kind of a thing, to your t-shirt. Otherwise, while doing, your t-shirt may get dirt. Because of that, ensure that you put a small cover kind of thing, or towel, to cover the dress. And ensure the neck is free, because we are going to do in the neck also. Because of that, don't cover the neck. So we'll start up now. I have already washed my hand and I have already sanitized. And hi Vasha.
Hi.
So be cool. So we'll do this. Now we are going to use the face wash first. So this is green tea flavor face wash from Beverly Street. So we'll be applying a little bit. It's kind of a gel kind of a thing. So just like normal face wash, you have to apply it and do a small massage kind of a thing. You can apply this everywhere and do a small massage kind of a thing, including the neck. So while you are doing the massage, you have to be you have to use it like this, like a round kind of a thing. Don't do like this, because when you are getting aged, then you will be getting wrinkles and everything. So because of that, you have to ensure that you give a gentle massage, not the heavy massage. It should be a gentle massage, including the. So get the wet sponge, and while cleaning it also, do it like this, upwards, not downwards. You have to do it all the time, the upwards, to clean the face. So this is why I asked to put the towel, otherwise so you can see. Can you see? So now we are going to put a cleanser. Now this is a turmeric flavor, the cleanser. This is also again from the Baby Street package. We are going to cleanse it. So basically the cleanser and the scrub is the one like deep clean the face. So now you can see more than to the face wash. This is really nicely cleansing the parts of the face. So while cleansing it and scrubbing the face, then the pores will open and the dead cells, the dead skin will be removed. Because of that, do a gentle one, not the tighter massage, just to do a gentle massage kind of a thing. Especially this area and the nose area. Generally affect with the dark spots of whiteheads and the blackheads. When the whiteheads comes, we have to treat. If not, then it will convert as a dark blackheads. Then it's very difficult. Then it will create patches and everything in the face. Then it's very difficult to clean up it. Now okay, now we are going to clean up it again. I have washed the sponge again. After using the face wash, I just washed the sponge again and cleaning the face now again with the cleanser to remove the cleanser. So now the extra hair will be like clearly settled with the band, so there won't be any disturbance. Now after the cleanser, now we are going to use the face scrub. So what we are going to do is we are going to take some little bit of scrub powder and applying a little bit water, and directly we are going to apply to the face and do a gentle massage. I am taking half a tablespoon. Little bit of water. Mix it well. Now it's like a paste kind of a thing. Especially the nose part, scrub very well. Especially this area, because she has some black marks over there because it's got damage after affected with the blackheads and the whiteheads. So ensure that you do like this, a gentle massage. Now for the cleanser and the scrub, the pores will open and the dead skins will remove automatically while doing the scrub. This is not like a general scrub, because general scrubs are like a sand kind of a thing. Sometimes it will be painful, but this is not like a painful one. This is like kind of a oat. It's basically the oatmeal one, because of that it's like the. I will ask with her, is it looks like a sand type of a feel, or is it like a flour kind of a feel that you have? Is it like a flour or sand type? Like a flour, no?
Yeah.
Okay. As I said, it looks like a sand, not like a sand type. Little bit less painful, and it's like a flour kind of a feel. Very soft feel that she is feeling, it seems. So now the time to clean it up. So we'll be wiping again. The wiping procedure also supposed to be as normal way. It should be upward, not the downward. Now we are cleaning very well the face area. Now we are going to use this and remove the whiteheads and the blackheads. Don't get scared, okay? We'll be using this and removing the whiteheads and the blackheads in the nose area. If you have a face steamer, better you do a face steam first for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Then after that, if you use this machine and remove the whiteheads, it will be nicely calm. Otherwise, you have to do it for a while. Especially these areas. Especially these areas, you have to remove it very well. These are the areas get effects mostly with the whiteheads and the blackheads. For a period, if you didn't do a treatment, then it will automatically convert as a blackheads. Then it will be after removing the whiteheads and the blackheads. Now you can see the face. There are marks here and there, but it will go after a while after we do massage. So can you now? I can feel better. Of course, the way that was there is like. Heavy pimple and the whiteheads, blackheads was there, but now I can feel the smooth feel. අතල්ලලා බලනවා. අල්ලලා බලනකො. කලින් තිබ්බට වඩා මේ නාය ඇස්සේ මේ අර අල්ලලා බලන්න. කලින් තිබ්බට වඩා හොඳයි.
සීනේද?
හා?
සීනේද?
අර පිම්පල් ගතිය නෑනේ.
ඔව්.
ඒ වල මේක ගතිය නෑ. Now we are going to put the face pack at the last mud. I am going to put the mud pack. So I am going to take 1 tablespoon of mud pack today. 1 tablespoon mud pack. Now again half a tablespoon kind of a water. Half a tablespoon water. It's rose water. Half a tablespoon of rose water. Again half a tablespoon of honey. Half a tablespoon of honey. It should be a bee honey. Ensure that you purchase a bee honey and mix it well. Now we are going to apply the face mask. Try වෙන වෙනකම් තියාගන්න යන්නේ. Okay. Face normal තියන්න. හරි. Center. So apply it very well. So like this you have to apply it very well. Don't apply in the eye area because it's very sensitive. It's supposed to, you have to keep the space here also, but her face is already damaged very well, because of that I have put it here. But don't put it in the upside because it's a Ayurvedic one. No need to worry about it. But however, don't put it for the upper eye, because when it gets dried, it will painful to remove in the eye area, because the eye is, now you can see it's dry. Can you touch and see? Yeah, dry, ne? Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to remove it after 15 minutes. Like this, you have to remove it. Remove it very well. Like this, you have to neatly clean the face. Put some toner to the face, because we have opened up the pores and remove the whiteheads and blackheads. Because of that, now the pores are already open, so we have to put some toner and close the pores back. Otherwise, you will be getting pimples. So to avoid pimples, after doing everything, you have to put some toner. That's one. Now this is the final finishing. So this is how the final finishing came. So we can compare the previous photo and the after doing the face cleanup and the face mask, how she looks like. How you feel? Can you feel difference? Yeah. You feel like bright face? Yeah. Can you touch your face and see? Yeah. Okay. Now if you are generally using any face cream, then you can apply the face cream and you can do the normal makeup that you generally do. So now this is like very soft, the feeling, and this is how the finish up of the entire face cleanup and applying a mask, face mask for the day. So thank you for watching the video. If it's useful for the products, because I just want to try this and see, because this is the first time I also ordered this product from Beverly Street, as I showed in the previous video. So this is the customer feedback of the video. So thank you very much for the nice product from Beverly Street, and it came very nicely. So thank you so much, and thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, subscribe and comment and like my video and share the videos among your friends. Thank you.